all, welcome to our channel, Candle Making Business Side. Today I want to show you guys how to create an amazing grid for your Instagram. This grid will be a 3x3 grid and it'll help promote brand identity on your Instagram page. So what we're going to start with is a custom size box. We're going to go to create a design, and then what we'll do is we'll put in the pixel size we need for the height and the width, and that's going to be 3240 by 3240. Once we create our design, what we're going to do is we're going to look for a grid in Elements. We're going to go down to grids and it'll bring up photo box grids. We're going to find the 3x3 photo box grid, click on it. Then what we want to do is go to File and we're going to click Show Rulers and then Show Guides. Then we're going to drag our guides down to the white space below the first and second box horizontally, and in the white spaces after the first and second set of boxes vertically. Once that's done, you can go ahead and delete the photo box grid. You don't need that. You have your grid set up with your guides. So once that's removed, your guides will still be there. You don't need the grid anymore. Now the fun part comes here. You get to start designing your grid. Once you do that, you can apply your brand colors here, as well as any information you want to get across for your brand. You can apply your products here. You can apply any sales you have going on. And what's really cool is this gives you 9 different posts. So you have posts for the next 9 days. Or you could post 3 posts a day to keep your Instagram grid in some kind of cohesive setup. But thanks for watching. I'm gonna just design this grid. I'll let you guys watch it, and then once the design is done, I'll come back. Alright, once you're all done designing, now you get to download your grid as a PNG. Once you've downloaded your grid, we want to make sure to save it onto our computer because we're going to have to upload this file onto pinetools.com/splitimage. Once that's done, we want to take our image and we're going to upload it onto Pine Tools. We'll click on our image and we'll put the image in. Then what we'll do is we're going to go over to the right and we're going to click on both for grid. Once you click on both, we want to change it to a PNG. Our size is 3 by 3 squares. So we're going to put in 3 and then we're going to split our image. Our image will come in 9 separate files or 1 total file, but it will still be your 9 separate images. You can download it either way you like. I download the zip and then send it to the folder that I wanted, and I have all 9 of my images there. So now what we want to do is we're going to send our 9 images to our phone so that we can post them on Instagram. No matter what, you want to make sure that you post them in order from your bottom right to left, and then go to your middle section from right to left, and then your top section from right to left. Once that's done, your beautiful Instagram page will be created. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us at Candlemakers Business Side on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Bye.